Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Lenovo ThinkPlus XT92 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, you need to press this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, you need to click Add Device button. If you have Windows 10, you will see a device button at the top. And in this window, you need to select Bluetooth. After that, we need to enter pairing mode, so open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. The most important that your earbuds shouldn't be connected with another device, so if it's connected, just disconnect or unpair it. Now we see them at the device list, click at your headphones, and then done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!